Polyurethane roller. Types, advantages, and properties. This video gives detailed insights into polyurethane rollers. Watch further to learn more about what is a polyurethane roller, advantages of polyurethane rollers, the polyurethane polymer system, properties of polyurethane, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding polyurethane rollers. These rollers find extensive application across numerous manufacturing sectors, executing tasks such as Chapter 2. What are the advantages of polyurethane rollers? Wide range of physical properties. Better durability and abrasion resistance. Superior chemical, oil, and solvent resistance. Approved by the Food and Drug Administration. Non-marking performance and no carbon blacking. Exceptional load-bearing and impact strength. Ease of processing and customization. Do not mark products and surfaces. High resistance to water, oils, and environmental factors. Key applications and user considerations. Chapter 3. What is the polyurethane polymer system? Frequently asked questions. What are polyurethane rollers used for? What advantages do polyurethane rollers have over traditional rubber rollers? How can polyurethane rollers be customized for specific industrial applications? Are polyurethane rollers suitable for food processing facilities? What makes the polyurethane polymer system unique for roller manufacturing? How do polyurethane rollers perform in wet or harsh environments? Chapter 4. What are the components of polyurethanes? The polyol. Polyether. Polyester. Specialty polyols. The disocyanate. Aliphatic disocyanates. Aromatic disocyanates. Naphthalenic disocyanates. Toluene disocyanate. Methylene diphenyl disocyanate. Curative. Hydroxyls, diols. Amines. Chapter 5. What are the properties of polyurethane? Hardness. Abrasion resistance. Tear strength. There are 3 ASTM tests used to determine the tear strength of polyurethane, which are impact strength, fatigue resistance, thermal aging resistance, friction, machinability, chemical resistance, Chapter 6. What is the manufacturing process? Roller core fabrication and preparation. Roller balancing. Polyurethane preparation. Bonding. Curing and cooling. Machining. Polyurethane compound quality testing. Chapter 7. What are the leading machines for producing polyurethane rollers? Model, Spin Casting Machine SC3000. Manufacturer, Unicast Company. Model, Polyurethane Injection Molding Machine EDM. Manufacturer, EMI Corporation. Model, PU Roller Extrusion Machine XJL120. Manufacturer, J.C. Times. Model, Linden Polyurethane Casting Machine Series. Manufacturer, Linden Industries. Model, PU Extruder DX Series. Manufacturer, Delta Engineering. Chapter 8. What are the uses for polyurethane rollers? Conveyor rollers. Trough. Impact idlers. Flat idlers. Industrial casters. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right polyurethane roller manufacturers for your needs.